Balenciaga Runner Black stand out. This sneaker is not just another casual pair, it's a fusion of luxury and sport, blending high-end fashion with a deconstructed, running-inspired design. The upper is crafted with a mix of mesh and synthetic overlays, giving it that layered, worn-in look that's become a signature Balenciaga aesthetic. The black colorway adds a sleek, bold edge, making it a versatile piece that goes with anything. And let's not forget the chunky sole, which provides both comfort and a futuristic vibe. Now, let's talk about the benefits, because these aren't just stylish, they're functional too. The Balenciaga Runner Black is built for all-day wear with a comfortable and lightweight structure. The layered sole provides excellent cushioning, reducing impact while walking. The breathable mesh upper keeps your feet cool, while the rugged outsole ensures durability and grip. So why should you have this shoe in your collection? Simple, it's a must-have for sneaker lovers and fashion enthusiasts alike. The Balenciaga Runner Black is more than just footwear, it's a status symbol. It blends high fashion with streetwear culture effortlessly, making it perfect for those who want to stand out. Plus, with the trend of deconstructed sneakers on the rise, this pair fits right in with today's fashion movements. When it comes to high-quality replica sneakers, Rsnow.net is one of the most trusted platforms in the market. They offer a wide selection of sneakers, including Air Jordans, Yeezys, Balenciaga, Dior, and more. Whether you're looking for the latest releases or classic styles, this website ensures that every pair is crafted with precision to match the originals. With secure payment options and worldwide shipping, Rsnow.net makes it easy for sneaker lovers to get their hands on premium quality reps. One of the biggest concerns when shopping online is trust. To ensure our customers feel confident, Rsnow.net is reviewed and rated on Trustpilot, a well-known platform for customer feedback. Real buyers have shared their experiences, highlighting the excellent product quality, fast shipping, and reliable service. You can check these reviews yourself on Trustpilot, giving you peace of mind when shopping with us. Now, let's talk about the best part, the exclusive discount. As a special deal for our Rsnow Unbox subscribers, we are offering a 15% discount on all purchases. Just use the discount code RSNOW at checkout to save big. For example, these sneakers originally cost $169, but with our exclusive code, the price drops to just $143.65. That's an amazing deal for high-quality sneakers. At Rsnow.net, customer satisfaction is our priority. Our dedicated team works tirelessly to ensure a seamless shopping experience. From order placement to delivery, we provide reliable customer support to assist with any questions or concerns. Whether you need help with sizing, tracking your order, or anything else, our support team is always available to help. Alright, sneaker fam, that wraps up today's unboxing of the Balenciaga Runner Black. What do you think about these kicks? Would you rock them, or do you prefer another Balenciaga model? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Rsnow Unbox, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a fire sneaker drop.